Welcome to One Block Part 3. Now we're getting lucky, we just got a crafting table. Haha, how awesome is that? Let's try to do some sticks or something, I don't know. I don't know how to do this, man. Oh. That was a mistake. Okay, we're not. I don't know what we are doing, man. Whoa! This song, we don't like it. Don't like it. You want silent. Silence. Can we do any weapons? Let's hope we can do some weapons, man. That would be very cool. We need a stone sword or something. Wooden sword. We need a stone sword. Yeah, what do we look for a stone sword? Stone. Alright. Is in this stone? What? Don't we have enough stone? Okay, let's try to get some stone then. Oh, what was that? Okay, we have seen we need a weapon. If we are gonna cross different paths and things like that, we need a good pickaxe. We need a weapon. So there is a goal right now. Good pickaxe and a weapon. Oh. What's that? Oh, nice. We're not gonna complain about that. That's a nice weapon. Can you get a pickaxe? We're so happy. Alright. Okay, let's see what we can make now. See if we have what it takes. What kind of stone do we need to this not? Why is it not happy with the stone we have? I don't get it. Should it have to be a certain stone? I don't know, man. And I'm thinking we'll just go and get some stone. No, let's just try a little bit longer. Okay, let's just, I think we have a weapon. Let's just do a wooden pickaxe just to have something. And I think we'll start to make our connections. What? Alright. What? We'll just go, man. We don't care. Okay, where do we want to go next? That is a question. We kinda like that place. No. Where do we want to go next? Well, let's go to that place over there. Doesn't seems kinda boring, to be honest, but let's go there. Because the next place seems awesome. Shit. If we can get to that place. Then get to the next place and on and on and on. Everything will be awesome. Woo! What? Oh yes, it's good to have food. We think that. Okay. Think about this for a while. Whoa, this one seems kinda cool, we'll admit that. Seems like a cool place, let's go there. Let's hope we have enough to get there. Come on. Ah, yes, we can get there, no problem. Just hope we can escape the nighttime. Or at least if we can't, we still have weapons. I think we need more stuff to get there, which is not good. Oh, maybe we have enough. Nice. Let's hope we have no mobs will spawn there. Because the last thing we need some zombies on our path. Damn it. I'm thinking we could still make it, but I don't know. Let's see, let's see. Only thing I have to say about this is I kinda wish we could like get down as well. This frozen place of rock looks kinda cool. Because we have a different pickaxe, I will admit that. So let's try to get ourselves some stuff to get over there. See how much we have built, it's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's find something easy to get. Ah, perfect. What is that? I don't want to know. I don't want to know. Do we have enough? No, probably not. Okay, this piggy is annoying us. Get down there, piggy. Haha. This is what you're afraid of. Pickaxe is almost running out of juice. So let's just go there if we can. We must have enough stuff by now. Hopefully. Okay, there's pigs. Pigs love us. Love it. Whoa. Ah, let's not run fast. Too fast, or is there a spider there? We don't like it. Not on our path. Woohoo! Not on our path. Ha 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 ha. Zombie on the sky. Let's go there. Let's hope we have enough to go there. Ooh, what is inside there? We have to go down again. I won't be happy. What? Okay. We're not happy. We really thought, whoa, how many mobs are in that place? What is going on? Okay, that is not good. I guess we need more stuff to get it, so. I don't like it. Our weapon is low. It's not good to be us at the moment. Ah. Nice. Nice. We have to get over there. Ah. What is going on? Why do I hear this slithering noise? I don't like it, man. I don't like this. Too many mobs in one place. I don't like this, man. Oh, this is not. This is a scary place to be. I'll just admit that right now. Oh, this is not a good place to be. Let's hope we have enough to get there. Because we are at the night, we are kind of afraid to this place because there's a lot going on. Oh wow, do we really want to go there? This is a crazy place to go to. Very crazy place to go to. Damn. How crazy is that place? Okay, wow. They're waiting for us to come. What is going on, man? How do we get there without... I don't know how to do this. Just hope nighttime comes. I think we're just gonna jump it. I don't know why, but I think it's a great idea. Oh no. Okay. This is what happens, I guess. I think we need a bed or something. I don't know. Could be a very strong move to get a bed. Now we'll just try. Start again. Ooh. Gold armor. How nice is that? We're just gonna start again. Try to get ourselves some sticks, I guess. Try to go again. Let's try to look around us a little bit. Oh no. Oh, he's coming. I don't like it, he's coming. They are coming, man. Why are we not trying to go there to that place? That should be our goal. I think that should be a goal of us to get there. To that place over there. What? Oh, at least we made it through that. So that's kinda cool. The best thing about it is... Ooh, nice iron sword. Okay, we have the sword. Now we just need a pickaxe. Stone pickaxe would be nice, but we'll take what we can get. We will take what we can get, for sure. Is that... Yes! How freaking cool is that? Why are we not trying to go to that place? Seems kinda easy to us. Oh no, a creeper, a creeper, a creeper, a creeper. The last thing we need is a creeper right now. Okay, let's try to get a pickaxe. Let's try to find a place to go. Now I kinda want to try the other place we already picked out. Then after that we are going to the big place. Now we're just gonna get a bunch of stuff. Let's get ourselves a bunch of stuff right now. A pickaxe would be nice. We're not gonna... Just gonna say it, a pickaxe would be awesome. To this point, we would really like a pickaxe. Maybe we just have to make it ourselves, I don't know. Ah, let's just do it. Try to get us all some sticks, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. Now at least we have 2. Last time we just had 1. Creeper is gone. Awesome. So we're gonna go to a place we were before. And we have to get to that place. This looks crazy. And I'm thinking maybe we'll just find a bed we can make a spawn point. That would be crazy in this game. I think it should be possible. So there is a goal now. Let's check our other place because that is our video right now. We're gonna check out the other place. Even though we found a much better place. Whoa. Up there. There's still a chest over there that we have to look at. Also, fun to be here, I guess. We're connecting to more and more places. We're not going to complain about that. It just seems like a boring place. We're not going to admit that right now. Doesn't seem fun at all, this place. But at least we have pigs, so what's not to love? Yay, we are here. We are... Whoa, a bow. Nice. Is it an eye of ender as well? Okay. We are not gonna complain. We got an eye of ender. This is very cool. Can we go down? Where is it down? Can we go down there? Let's look at it a little bit. Okay, how do we get down there? Okay, this is crazy. Okay. Would be fun to go down there. We're gonna admit that. Would be very fun. Maybe this is our way, I don't know. Alright. I don't know if this is a good idea or not. Time will tell. Time will tell. There's a chest down there we really want it. So, we're going down there. Haha. Okay. Let's hope we are in the right place where the chest is. Oh, nice. Fishing rod, why is that going to help us in this place? What is going on? Okay, this was a letdown, we'll admit that right now. But I don't know, we got an eye of ender, so we're not that. Cool. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to our place. Hahaha. Now our ultimate goal is to get up there. To this very cool palace looking thing. Try to find ourselves a bed, make a respawn point. That is the goal right now. Because we don't always want to have to go. I don't know what to say. Okay, that is our goal right now. Hahaha. How freaking cool is that? But now we just want to thank you for watching. Subscribe for more parts. We're doing part 4 next. And the goal is to get up there, then we're going up to this place. Then we're gonna explore more that way. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let's keep an eye around the safe. And let's keep our bow safe as well. I don't know, we might need it later. But yeah, thanks for watching. Whoa.